Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Sani Firmansyah. My name is 6320609, part 1 of Project Mid Test. Change the bad habit. I realize that I am often lazy when it comes to doing assessment or work. Homework, strangely, I can become very hardworking and focused when the deadline is getting closer. When time is running out, I am able to work faster, more seriously, and even complete many things at once. This habit makes me realize that I actually have the ability and potential to be disciplined, but I often procrastinate until I am forced to work because of time pressure. I really want to change this lazy habit, but the progress feels very difficult. The desire to relax, delay work, and think there is still plenty of time often cause me to postpone things, and result I end up rushing, getting less rest, and sometimes producing work that is not as good as it could be. I also realized that procrastination only gives temporary comfort, but in the end, it causes more stress and panic. Even so, I do not want to continue living with this habit. I believe that change can start from small steps, such as trying to be more disciplined in managing my time, making studying schedule, and reduce reducing the habit of delaying work. I want to learn how to stay hardworking even when the deadline is still far away. Not only when the situation becomes urgent, in that's why I can become a more responsible, calm, and productive person who is able to achieve better results. I also believe that everyone has weakness, but weakness are not a reason to stop growing. In fact, by releasing my shortcomings, I can learn to become a better person overnight. But as long as I kept trying and never give up, I believe that one day I can become a more diligent, disciplined, and success person in the future. Part 2 of Project Mid-Test Sequence Upward. The definition of sequence upward. There are five types of upwards in the English language. Sequence upwards are used to describe the order in which two or more actions happen and help us understand the time relationship between sentence and ideas. Sequence upwards or sequence markers include first, next, then, and finally. Then rule 1. We ask a comma after sequence upward when the upper at the beginning of a sentence and introduce an action or a series of actions. Sequence upward sucks as first, second, next, then finally, and similar. Word help leaders understand the order or steps in a process more clearly. Example, first, prepare all the necessary ingredients. Next, mix the ingredients thoroughly. Finally, serve the food while it is still warm. And then, rule 2, we ask first to express that action happens before any other and can place it at the beginning and the end of a sentence. And rule 3, we ask next express that action happens immediately after another action or the as soon as possible. It can also come both and the beginning and the end of a sentence. Rule 4, we, we can ask them to express that action happens after another action if it's not immediate. We can ask and without a comma. Please note that then refers to a specific time in the future or in the past. Rule 5. We can ask finally to express that action happens at the end after any others or after a long time. We can ask finally before the verb without a comma. Example. Here are the example of using sequence verb to describe how to make an omelette. If you want to make an omelette, you need to break the egg first. Next, you salt hot butter on a pan. Then, you can add the eggs. Finally, you can enjoy your omelette with your favorite vegetable or a piece of bread. And then example, how to make a cup of instant how to make a cup of inta, instant. And then example, how to make a cup of instant coffee. If you want to make a cup of instant coffee, you need to boil water first. Next, you salt about 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and sugar into a mug. Then you can pour the hot water into the mug. After that, you have to stir it well until everything dissolves. Finally, you can enjoy your coffee while it's still warm. And then, thank you.